Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about my microwave of all things. It works really great and I'm really happy with it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So, it's basically your pretty standard microwave. I love that this actually fits right above my stove, perfectly aligned in the cabinets and stuff. So, I'm just going to show you the sticker here. So this says household microwave oven, model MCO165UW, input 1600 watts, output 1000 watts, 120 volts, AC 60 HC, serial number, let's see what that serial number says, DJ15401-463, MC Appliance Corporation, 777 Mark Street, Wooddale, Illinois. And the production date on this was April 2015. Place of manufacture is Tianjin, China. I hope I pronounced that right. And then you get the model number. Oh yeah, I read that already. Okay. So we got the model number down and everything. So it kind of tells you how to use, what to use to microwave each thing. So for auto cook, you have soup, fresh vegetables, muffins, fish fillet, popcorn, frozen pizza, frozen vegetable, beverage, dinner plate, baked potato. I love how it tells you all the instructions for this. Defrost by weight, defrost by time. Kind of gives you some really detailed directions here, which is awesome. I always just, I love microwave just for reheating leftovers sometimes, and then frozen dinners and stuff. Sometimes it takes forever to put in the oven, or you can't put it in the oven, so putting it in the microwave is obviously a great and really quick option. There's certain things like frozen pizza I would never reheat in the microwave because it becomes soggy and then it's just not even pizza anymore. So that's probably the one thing I really wouldn't microwave. But everything else, I would say anything else that you don't want to lose its crispiness, I wouldn't put in the microwave. But everything that's you just want to heat it quick and you don't really mind if it becomes a little bit soggier, then I would say throw it in the microwave. It just makes really a lot easier. And I think everybody's got to have a microwave in the house. But I love mine. Very simple but works great. Let's say precautions for use to avoid possible exposure to excessive microwave energy. Do not attempt to operate this oven with object foot and door. Obviously, it's really obvious. Do not operate this oven without food, of course. You can heat microwavable wax in there. Okay, so it gives you different options for dinner plate. So dinner plate, press it. I guess the microwave door has to be closed. That might help. Dinner plate. That would just start it right away. And I have the plastic container in here because I just put it over the food so that it doesn't splatter while it's in the microwave. Certain sauces and stuff like that, because at least it'll splatter on the plastic plate and not all over your microwave, which is going to give you more work to clean up, and nobody wants to do that. So let's see what else we have here. It's really simple to use. I mean, all you have to do is hit time cook. Say I want to cook something for 5 minutes. Type in 5. Press start. And you are ready to go. And then it has the buttons for dinner plate, baked potato, frozen pizza, popcorn, beverage, and frozen vegetable. I guess those are some really popular things to heat. I would say all of these are popular for me, except I don't use the frozen pizza one because I do not, like I said, like frozen pizza in the microwave. It makes it soggy. Not a fan of that. So you could turn on the vent fan if you want to. So it goes automatically to high, press it again, goes to low, and then the third time goes to off. And then the light in the microwave, you could turn underneath. I don't really have much use for it unless I'm cooking in the dark or something. But the light you could turn on and off. Warm. Warm, I guess that's if you need to just heat something really quick. It has the timer. The timer, I really just use the timer for if I'm using the oven, I'll use the timer. And then the clock, you could adjust the clock as well. So I love that it's like, it's easy to open, easy to close, simple. It's not like too complicated of a microwave. I mean, it's like pretty simple to really figure out. And I love how perfectly it like fits in with everything else right above the oven and right into like where the cabinets are, just to make life easier. So guys, this was my microwave. I hope that you guys found the video useful. If you're looking for a really simple microwave to hang in your kitchen area, I definitely suggest this. It comes with everything you could think of that you would need, but it's also really simple at the same time. So I thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.